The geese are putting their heads in the water, Daddy.
Silly, isn't it?
Yeah.
They're bobbing for food, though, bud.
Oh.
Getting a drink of water.
Baby! Come on, baby. Oh, baby. That's the other baby.
That's a duck.
Yeah.
They're ducks, they're not geese.
I know. Baby! What are those white things? The geese?
I think those are just,
Baby, move! Mommy!
those are things floating.
Move, baby! No, they're not. Baby! Move, baby! Where is the baby? Oh, baby! Hi, baby! Hi, baby! That's a tiny baby. Ooh. I think they're gonna come over to us. Ooh. Nah. Nah. Baby. Dad, where are the geese? Baby.